Every year, millions of tires reach the end of their road. But what if we told you they could be given a second life? In today's video, we're diving into the world of tire pyrolysis, an innovative, eco-friendly technology that transforms waste tires into valuable resources like pyrolysis oil, carbon black, and steel wire. From how the process works to its economic and environmental impact, we're breaking it all down. Whether you're a recycling enthusiast, an investor, or just curious about the future of waste management, you're in the right place. Let's explore how old tires are fueling a new industrial revolution with this tire pyrolysis business plan sample. Executive Summary. The company TyreNova aims to revolutionize tire waste management by establishing a state-of-the-art pyrolysis plant that converts end-of-life tires into valuable resources. With an emphasis on sustainability, innovation, and profitability, TyreNova seeks to address the growing environmental and economic challenges associated with tire disposal while creating a scalable, investment-ready business. Business Overview. TyreNova is a sustainable waste management and recycling company specializing in the pyrolysis of end-of-life tires. The company is focused exclusively on processing used tires and converting them into valuable byproducts such as pyrolysis oil, carbon black, and steel wire. TyreNova aims to address the growing environmental concerns associated with tire waste while providing alternative fuel and raw materials to industrial markets in the United States. The company operates with a commitment to sustainability, efficiency, and profitability, leveraging advanced technology to offer a scalable solution for tire recycling. TyreNova operates under a B2B model, serving clients across the energy, manufacturing, construction, and waste management sectors. Primary customers will include fuel companies and refineries purchasing pyrolysis oil, industrial and rubber manufacturers using recovered carbon black, and construction firms incorporating sustainable materials into infrastructure projects. Market Analysis. In the progressive landscape of the tire recycling and waste-to-energy industry, understanding market trends, government regulations, and the competitive landscape is critical to positioning TyreNova for success. This market analysis will provide a comprehensive review of these key factors, providing valuable insight into the industry that will help the company develop a winning strategy. Market Overview. The global tire recycling market is experiencing steady growth, driven by rising environmental concerns, government regulations, and the increasing demand for sustainable waste management solutions. Valued at approximately $6 billion in 2025, the market is projected to reach $8 billion by 2034, expanding at a growth rate of 3%. Regions like Asia-Pacific and Europe are leading this growth due to stringent environmental policies and heightened sustainability goals, while North America remains a vital player in advancing tire recycling technologies and alternative fuel production. Market Trends. This section provides an overview of the latest trends in the tire recycling and waste-to-energy industry, helping the company stay ahead of the competition and identify new growth opportunities. Shift towards circular tire recycling solutions. The tire recycling industry is undergoing a significant transition towards sustainable and circular market solutions. With the US generating approximately 300 million scrap tires annually, there is mounting pressure to find environmentally responsible alternatives to landfilling. While traditional markets like tire-derived fuels or TDF are seeing some declines due to a shift away from non-solid fuels, there is strong growth in the use of ground tire rubber from rubber-modified asphalt, molded goods, and landscaping products. Rising demand for pyrolysis oil as a renewable fuel. As global energy demand continues to rise, expected to nearly double by 2050, there is increasing pressure on industries to adopt low-carbon, renewable alternatives to fossil fuels. Major energy companies like Shell are responding by integrating pyrolysis oil into their sustainable energy portfolios, recognizing its potential as a viable replacement for fossil-based feedstocks. Growth in electric vehicle market and tire wear. The rapid expansion of the electric vehicle market is reshaping the automotive and recycling industries. EVs are significantly heavier than their internal combustion engine counterparts and produce higher torque, which results in accelerated tire wear up to 20% faster, according to Michelin. With US EV sales projected to grow at a growth rate of 13% between 2025 and 2034, the substantial government investment in EV infrastructure, the volume of end-of-life tires is expected to rise sharply. Products and services. This section outlines the offerings of Tyre Nova, providing a detailed overview of its products and services, pricing strategy, competitive advantages, and key success factors that are integral to the company's success. Products. Tyre Nova will produce 3 primary products derived from waste tires: pyrolysis oil, recovered carbon black, and recycled steel wire. Pyrolysis oil. Pyrolysis oil is a renewable alternative fuel produced from the thermal decomposition of end-of-life tires in an oxygen-free environment. This low-sulfur oil can be used as an industrial fuel in boilers, furnaces, cement kilns, and power generators, or refined into high-grade fuels and chemical feedstocks. Pyrolysis fuel will be sold at $520 per metric ton. Recovered carbon black. Recovered carbon black is a fine powder material obtained from the solid residue remaining after the pyrolysis process. It undergoes further processing and refinement to achieve quality levels suitable for reuse as a reinforcing agent and pigment in the manufacturing of new rubber products, plastics, coatings, inks, and paints. Tyre Nova's recycled carbon black will reduce the need for virgin carbon black, decreasing both production costs and environmental impact, while maintaining the quality required by manufacturers. Recovered carbon black will be sold at $310 per metric ton. Recycled steel wire. Recycled steel wire is recovered from the reinforcement materials in tires during the pyrolysis process. After separation, cleaning, and processing, the scrap steel is resold to steel mills, foundries, and recycling facilities for use in construction, automotive components, and other industrial applications. By supplying recycled steel, Tyre Nova helps reduce demand for virgin steel, conserve resources, and support closed-up recycling in the metals industry. Recycled steel will be sold at $288 per metric ton. Sales and marketing plan. This sales and marketing plan outlines Tyre Nova's strategy for expanding the company's client base and growing the business. This section examines the key channels the company will use to promote its services. Target customers. Tyre Nova will serve a diverse customer base including energy and fuel companies, industrial manufacturers, construction and infrastructure companies, tire waste generators, and government agencies and municipalities. Marketing channels. Digital marketing. Tyre Nova uses social media and industry forums to engage energy companies, manufacturers, and municipal clients. Traditional marketing. Traditional marketing efforts will focus on participating in industry trade shows, environmental conferences, and regional economic development events, allowing Tyre Nova to network with key stakeholders. Partnerships and collaborations. Strategic partnership will be developed with local governments, fleet operators, tire retailers, and industrial manufacturers to secure long-term supply agreements for waste tires and end product sales. Direct outreach and referral marketing. Tyre Nova will deploy a dedicated sales team to engage potential clients through personalized outreach, including targeted emails, phone calls, and face-to-face meetings in industry events and trade shows. Operational plan. The operational plan outlines the fundamental actions that will be taken to ensure the company runs efficiently and effectively. Supply chain and procurement. Tyre Nova will implement a streamlined and reliable supply chain to support continuous plant operations and ensure a consistent feedstock of end-of-life tires. The company's procurement strategy will focus on securing supply agreements with regional tire retailers, fleet operators, and municipal agencies with a 200-kilometer or 120-mile radius of the plant. Pyrolysis plant and production process. Tyre Nova will operate an advanced, fully continuous system designed for the efficient thermal decomposition of end-of-life tires. This technology enables the company to convert waste tires into valuable resources, pyrolysis oil, recovered carbon black, and recycled steel wire, while minimizing environmental impact. This closed-loop system will repurpose non-condensable gases from heating up and process all solid byproducts for commercial resale, supporting a circular economy approach while adhering to high safety and environmental standards. Organizational Plan. This organizational plan outlines Tyre Nova's approach to managing human capital, including organizational structure, management team, and personnel plan. This section will be regularly reviewed and updated to ensure the company remains adaptable and responsive to emerging opportunities and challenges. Financial Plan. The following financial projections have been carefully crafted by the management team of Tyre Nova. All projections are forward-looking and are dependent on securing the required financing. It is the audience's responsibility to conduct all necessary due diligence. Capital requirements. The company will require a total investment of $3.8 million. $1.6 million will be used to acquire the land and warehouse. $1.3 million will be used to purchase the pyrolysis plant. $250,000 will be used for renovations. $43,000 will be used to purchase equipment, and $650,000 for working capital. Pro forma annual sales forecast. In year 1, the company projects $6.8 million in gross revenue, with $3.1 million coming from the sale of pyrolysis fuel. By year 5, Tyre Nova projects $10.9 million in revenue, with $5 million coming from pyrolysis fuel. Pro forma annual income statement. The company's biggest expenses is the purchase of used tires. Next, operational employee wages to operate the plant, followed by specialty contractors to ensure the plant is up and operating as much as possible. In year 1, Tyre Nova forecasts a net profit margin of 24%, and by year 5, profits increase to 27% of gross revenue. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into the world of tyre pyrolysis, a cutting-edge solution turning waste into worth. As we've seen, this technology doesn't just reduce landfill and pollution, it creates real economic opportunities and moves us closer to a circular economy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or questions.